guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA, I've been missing, I haven't done a new look in a long time, but I'm back and I'm gonna try to get to a regular schedule so that you guys can see new makeup looks, stuff for the fall, and a couple of vlogs and things. So I'm gonna get back into it. I've been going through a lot of changes. I recently got a job, so I'm trying to manage my schedule and just make everything work with my filming and my editing. So don't worry, I'm here to stay. But today I'm gonna do an everyday look because this is my go-to look. I've been using this look a lot and everybody's been giving me compliments and they're like, oh my god, I love this look. So I'm gonna do it. It's very simple, drugstore products and everything. Some drugstores, some high-end. So you'll see. I'll give you all the products, all the names will be in the description below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I need the support, I need the views, and the coins. So anyway, let's get into this look, okay? Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get right into the look. We're gonna start off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Face Primer. This is my go-to and I love this stuff. And to do the eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And if you're looking for a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Pencil, this is the one. Okay. And this part takes some serious concentration because the eyebrows gotta be on fleek, like my brother would say. It's the ashiness for me. To define the brows, we're going to go in with the Infallible Concealer in the color Caramel. And we're going to use my favorite little brush, M159 by Morphe. I'm going to just outline the bottom and the sides. I'm not going to outline the top because I want more of a natural look. So I don't want the eyebrow to be too defined. Now let's go in with the Beauty Blender and blend in that concealer. To conceal my little spots, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. And blend, honey. Blend. Of course, the holy grail of all holy grails, Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color Caramel. It is the best. And let's blend, baby. To prime the lids, we're gonna go in with the P. Louise and MMM Mitchell Acid Rain in the color Blank Canvas. For this look, we're going to use the palette by Tarte. It's called Be Naturally You. How ironic that I'm doing a natural look. And in the outer corner, we're going to start with the color Explore. And we're just going to blend it to the outer corner to the inner corner. Very easy. And don't worry about the outside corners because we're going to clean it up with the concealer. On the lid, we're going to go in with the color Tropical, which is kind of like a beige, whitish color. And we're just going to blend that into the lid. Please make sure to blend, and blend some more. Right on top of that, we're going to go in with the color Dust because I didn't really like the white, so I needed to add a little bit of color to it. You know how it is. Now with a clean brush, we're going to go in and we're going to blend some more just to blend in the crease a little bit more. This is my favorite little contour palette. We're going to go in and bronze it up a little bit. Give me a little color in the cheeks and around the forehead to give some dimension. This stuff is like magic. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the color caramel. You gotta have this if you love makeup. And go ahead, baby, and blend that out. And make sure your beauty blender is wet. Thanks. And of course, we're going in with Sacha Buttercup setting powder right under the eyes. Let's go. And I get really bad crease lines, so I gotta make sure to conceal those areas because I'm not trying to have no creases on my face. And don't forget to define the cheeks. Yellow. And it's time to dust off the setting powder. Bye. Just a cute little nice rosy cheek. We're gonna go in with the Milani Rose blush in Romantic Rose. How many times did I say rose? Gotta give the inner tear ducts a little shimmer with the color crystallized. And some mascara. Any kind would do. Ooh la la. Lashes popping. Check them out. The Amazon links below. And I got this for $1 at the beauty supply store. It's a lip liner in the color hazelnut. It's cute. Nice matte lip. We're going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color San Fran. It's my first time using it. I usually use the color London, but I wanted to try something different. And a little eyeliner in the color black, because we love it. Black girl magic. And to finish it off, we're going to go in with the Morphe Setting Mist. Mist away. And just like that, we're done. Don't you love to see it? Hey guys, this is my final look. I hope you like it. Be quiet! You're messing up my video. I'm trying to record my outro. You're loud.
I can hear you still. Give me like 2 minutes, man.
Hey guys, this is my final look. Something cute, something simple, very easy, my go-to face. I usually do a matte lip. Sometimes I put a little gloss, but I usually do a matte lip. It's my favorite. So here it is. Did a little ponytail, something cute, simple. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. I'll probably do a video next week. Not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to be more consistent. So please like and subscribe. Thanks. And give me a thumbs up to support me. Bye.